Hey guys, it is me, T here. I'm going to get ready to do avocado aloe vera hair mask for my hair, obviously. And I'm doing this probably, I've done protein treatments before. Um, I think I did one earlier this year, maybe a month or two before, sometime this year, I can't remember. But that was my favorite one, which was the coconut milk and banana. So I really love that protein, and I've always used that protein, but I decided I wanted to go ahead and just try something a little different this time. So this time I'm using the avocado and aloe vera. So whatever treatments I use, whatever protein treatments I use, I always include aloe vera because it's been working really well for my hair. My hair really loves it. So this mask that I'm doing will be doing for the first time that will involve avocado. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I put the mask together. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, the things that's needed for this video, or for this hair mask I should say, is good old aloe vera. So that's my aloe vera plant. We have some avocado, an avocado here, an egg, 1 or 2 eggs, depending on how long or thick your hair is. You may just need 1 or could be 2. Any oil of your choice. For this video, I am using good old coconut oil, a little bit of avocado oil, and of course, olive oil. So again, you guys can use any oil of your choice. You can use one or 2 or all 3. So this is what I'm using for this video today. So I have my aloe vera here, and I'm actually just went to the fruit and vegetable market and purchased this. So I'm going to first start off by scooping the aloe vera jelly out and placing it in this bowl. Look at all that jelly, guys. Use a nice fresh aloe vera plant, so the jelly is nice and fresh and slippery. So now I have all my jelly in here from the pan, and what I'm going to do with the other part of my aloe vera plant is just put some foil on it, and I'm going to refrigerate this for another use. So now what I'm going to do is just put this in my little sifter. Guys, I really need to get a bigger one because this is just, woo, look at that. Wow. So I'm going to start sifting this. Oh my goodness. This aloe vera is just doing its own thing. So anyway, I'm going to start just starting to squeeze this stuff out. I really need to get a bigger sifter, guys. Can you tell? So now I'm going to cook my avocado. Which is the main part of this video. So right here, as you see, is 2 halves. I'm going to not use the one with the seed, because this one, having the seed is what actually keeps the avocado fresh. So I eat avocados practically every day. So I'm going to keep this part to use for when I eat. So I'm going to keep the part with the seed again, because that's the part that keeps the avocado fresh, is the seed. So I'm going to use this half, and what I'm also going to do is make sure I keep the skin. Oops, that's in here. Keep the skin so that I can, when I finish scoop this out, I can just use the skin and place it back on here, put it in the refrigerator, and again, it will keep it with avocado with the seed part fresh. Just go ahead and scoop this out. Wow, that was really easy. refrigerate it for a later use, which in my case for eating. So as you see here, my avocado, I'm just going to add my coconut oil. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then I'm going to use my olive oil, and just a little bit of each oil. You don't need a lot. And now you have your avocado oil. Just a little of that as well. And last will be your egg. So I'm just going to crack that in here. Now I'm going to add my aloe vera jelly, as you see here, to that. And there you have it, guys. And this is it. Nice thick consistency. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and apply this to my hair. Alright guys, so I have my hair sectioned in 4s, and I'm going to go ahead and start from the back and work my way up to the top. So I'm going to do the back sections first and then the front. So what I'm going to do is actually spritz it with some water just to detangle it before applying the mask. And I have my little half aloe vera juice, half distilled water mixture here. And I'm just going to spritz my hair with this. Ooh, it's nice and cold because I got the aloe vera juice from the fridge. So it's so nice and cold right now. And that's also good for your hair shaft and your scalp. Wake it up. So I'm going to do that for each section. I'm just going to go ahead and wet it. Massage. You know, you always got to massage your hair, your scalp. Wake it up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Okay, and I'm going to detangle. So I'm just going to section each little section. Spritz it with a little bit more water in the parts. Okay. And just work it in. Finger detangle a little bit. And like I said, this is the first time I'm using the first time I'm using avocado to my hair protein. So let's see how my hair reacts to it. Hopefully it does good. I will definitely let you guys know in the next video how my hair responds to the avocado. So as I'm detangling each section, I'm just going to apply the mixture. And then and again, here's my little mixture. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Get in the scalp, massage, massage, massage. It's not the best smelling thing, but it could be worse. It could be rice water, which that will be one of my next videos because I'm going to be doing something with that, but I'm not going to tell you too much yet. I want you to watch it when it happens. Oh, look at all my curls. So far responding really well. These curls are just a popping. So I had a lot of this mixture. I did a little bit too much, but that's okay. I'd rather have too much than not enough. So I'm just going to saturate my hair with this mixture. And let's see here. What I should have done before applying this, actually, I just realized it, is actually brush out the curls, but I'll do it for this time. Just do it as I forgot. Ooh, ooh, you should see the mess on the floor. Now I'm gonna have some work to do after this video. Should have put a towel on the floor actually. No, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Just give me a second. So this part is nicely detangled. To the next section, I'm gonna twist this one up. Actually, no, I'm not gonna twist it, I'm gonna braid it. Just a loose braid. Just to kind of hold it aside while I do the other sections. Just give it a little twirl at the end. There you go. So I'm going to do this section really quick. Ooh, what's going on with my sprayer? Wow, that's weird. What's going on with this? Don't tell me. Oh, it's still spraying even though I put it down. Look at that, it's still going. You guys see that? Okay. All right, so like I said, I'm just gonna finger detangle a little bit. And this bottle is still spraying. Okay, I gotta figure that out. All right, I may have to get another spray bottle. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and detangle before applying the mask. I love this detangler. Yeah, definitely a lot better doing it this way before putting the mask. And it's a lot less messy. So, you gotta clean the floor. So, okay. You know, trials and errors, you know, you're doing something for the first time. So now I know what I need not to do, which is apply the mask before detangling my hair with a brush. So, all right. Now, since that's detangled, I'm going to apply the mask. This thing is messy. Oh my gosh. Put some on my scalp. Put some on my hair shaft. Like I said, I want to definitely coat it with this stuff. Get some on my shoulder. And then I'm just going to loosely braid it. Oh, this thing is just hearing it dropping all over the floor. Oof. And I'm going to pin it and do the other sections. So give me a minute and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. All right guys, so this is it. I just applied the mask to my entire head and I pretty much used all of it, just a little bit left, which I had to put some through my parts already and the end, so I've used pretty much all that I could possibly use, so I'll just go ahead and just discard the rest of that because it's not really much anyway. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. I'm gonna wear my hot head cap, and just let it sit for about that time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a plastic cap or plastic garbage bag over my hair, then put the hot head cap over that and just let it sit for, like I said, 30 to 45 minutes. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it out, shampoo, condition it out, and then that'll be it for the part. So that will be a second part of the video. So basically, like I said, this is all the mask that I applied to my hair. Let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes, rinse it out, and that'll be it. So that's this part. This is part 1 of 2. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the wash day. Bye.